Hey Dan, it's Jor-El giving you a video follow-up call here from Audi Winnipeg. Great choice with the S5 Sportback. I designed a 2019 for you. Color is kind of irrelevant. I just picked a Mythos black at this point. We can change that. That's not a problem. And then right down here is a list of options. So 2019 S5 Sportback. We built a Technic, so it'd be the fully loaded version with all the options listed in those two boxes. And then I included the black optics, the advanced driver assistance package, and then I optioned out every possible option just so it would be loaded for you. At the same point, here's a list of the payments. So it has your personal information, 2019 Audi S5 Sportback, black on black, and it has a list of all the options here, including the 5 years of scheduled maintenance. So over 48 months with $16K a year, it'd be $1326.14. So I do look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And we can take some pictures and detail your X5M, and you can take that awesome S5 Sportback out on a nice test drive. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 960-1468. Thanks. Bye for now.